Hello and welcome to another market update about gold. Just a quick update here. Market pushed higher. We have not broken below any support levels since yesterday, so market was grinding higher, is now in that target area for one more high. And I want to share with you just the latest microstructure here as we're heading into the weekend. We discussed two scenarios. One was a B wave. Technically, this could still be a B wave. It is a three-wave move to the upside. But an overshooting B wave as part of a larger correction is unreliable. So the white scenario, I would say, has been degraded to the, to an alternative, okay? But it doesn't really change the overall context. I mean, the yellow scenario was on the chart as well as one more high. It's just that we are in an area, we are in an environment where a more substantial top could form at any point. What did I tell you? I told you that it takes a break below 3016 to confirm a top. Now that level is now changing, but as you can see, we have not seen any confirmed top. Rather, we are pushing higher in three waves, and the yellow scenario is obviously the one where we are forming from the February low a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 extension. Fifth waves can extend, especially in gold, very, very often. And however, we've really only formed a marginally higher high above the April high so far. And it's only a three-wave move up, so I'm tracking here potentially another higher low and another higher high as realistic for one more high before then more substantial top forms. Yeah, but basically from a reward to risk point of view, especially on the macro level, a larger correction is due. But obviously, we know that in gold, fifth waves can extend. Therefore, it can make sense to wait for confirmation before really getting bearish. That decline was a first hint. We might have started that larger correction, but it remained a three-wave move. And it was this counter move to the upside that would have told us, that would have confirmed, let's say it rather like that, that would have confirmed that this larger correction has started. That's not the case, even though the move up is in three waves, but it is an overshooting B wave, if anything, and that is rare if a larger correction has started. So tracking one more high, and that means we get, based on this wave count, a very clear support zone to watch for next week. And for when the futures markets open on Sunday. So what we do, we measure the length of the third wave to the upside. It doesn't mean the fourth wave here internally has started, but it means that we can be watching for that pullback now at any point, really. For now, as you can clearly see, I'm tracking this as third. Then there could be another 4-5 pattern. That means next week, pay attention to support between $3,118 and $3,192. Any break below it will indicate that a top has formed, especially if it gets broken in 5 waves to the downside. And also, it's important to recognize that this support zone will need to shift higher with the price as the price grinds higher. Okay, so that's currently my update about gold. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, daily updates about the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ, as well as regular updates about stocks, you can also get access to the live charts. Then check out our stocks and NASDAQ and S&P 500 membership. I've also now included the gold chart as a live chart as additional benefit. So hope you find the value there. The link is in the description. You can also find it pinned in the comment section. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.